Hello, everyone, and good evening. It's 12 a.m. from my location. Okay, I want to record a quick video about inducement. I noticed a lot of people have been having issues understanding how inducement works and how to find inducement in the market. Basically, inducement is the liquidity you all know, but kind of like in an advanced way where you look for the liquidity closest to the POI. Okay, an adjustment is always formed like it's more like how would I put it? A trap, a trap for early buyers and early sellers, those who get easily distracted by the lower time frame. So basically, the inducement is it's just liquidity. It's liquidity you know all about. So I'm going to show you how I use this in the market. Okay, but let me do that on Euro AUD. Personally, I pick this pair because it respects inducement a lot, and you could easily understand the price action on this particular pair. So, first of all, I'm going to give a drawing of how inducement looks like, how it works. Um, it looks like this, something like this. You want to see something like this? Let's say we're on a downtrend. So, market break structure. You want to see market doing something like this, okay? Like a fake, you know, bullish bearish one since we're in a bearish market. Then you want to see market moving to the POI. So this right here is the inducement, okay? This the movement that that started off nothing, okay? It never mitigated the POI, or never moved into the original POI, the zone which it was supposed to, but instead gave a flag, like a change of character or a QM or something. But it never mitigate off a POI. So it just started off just like that. Okay, that's an inducement close to the POI. Okay, you want to see this happening close to the POI. So this right here is an inducement. And how do you notice an inducement? First of all, I understand that this always happens with low momentum. Okay, this always happens with low momentum. You want to see it happen in a corrective way. Okay, then yeah, this is an inducement. It happens in a corrective way, but it also give a reaction like how how would I put it? How a normal POI would. Okay, so sometimes you're going to see fake change of character, um, QM or something like that. Okay, this happens all the time. Then let's say you're going to see this also looking like a break of structure. Okay, you're going to look like a break of structure also, and you're going to see the liquidity above. Now you expect market to react off this POI which is being created here. You're going to see markets move into the original POI which it was supposed to. So this is an inducement. This is how you use an inducement. Okay, this is the inducement here. So this I just did this drawing so you could understand this. You could screenshot this if you want, but this is basically how it happens in the market. The break of structure happens here. Let me just put that. Break of structure happens here, and then you see the inducements being created probably in a premium level since we are in a bearish market, or a discount level in a bullish market. It's going to happen looking exactly like what you're expecting. Then you're going to see market take out that high and will mitigate of the original. Okay, so that's an adjustment, and that's how you find an adjustment. So if you have any question about adjustment, you can leave it in the comment box, or you could send me a DM on Telegram at 3JFX. Okay, so let me show you this how it happens in the market. Okay, let's just use the one I posted last week on GBP JPY, which happened so clean. You could see. Um, Let me show you that happened here. All right, so this was the original POI that was created after the break of structure here. Okay, you could see that clearly. There was a break of structure here. All right, and then sorry about that. My system is a bit slow right now. I don't know why. Okay, so we had a break of structure here. Okay, market did this. All right. Uh, so this was the liquidity. Okay. So I moved down to the 15-minute time frame when market was returning, you know, correcting back up. And I noticed something. I posted this last week, explaining to everybody that this is how inducement also works. All right. Below inducement, you're going to see something interesting. Okay. Okay. Something just always forms below inducement. And then that was this, another block, clear, clean, other block right here. So when the market was returning back, I noticed something that this was the inducement. Okay, this movement started off nothing. Okay, this was an obvious inducement. Okay, this was the original order block that was created before the break of structure. Okay, that's what you want to look at. How do you notice another block? Also, I know you know the credentials of another block, so you should know another block should always happen before a break of structure. So this was the other block that happened, and then um sorry, my system is being slow right now. I don't know why. And then I noticed something. Liquidity was also created for this other block, okay? But originally this was an inducement, and this is the higher time frame POI, okay? So when the market was returning, I saw this. They did give a reaction, all right, which was very interesting. They came back up, took out liquidity, all right, and broke structure here, creating a change of character. Okay, this was so clean. I also fell for it last week. I took this and I got stopped out here. All right, so this was so clean. This was how, this is always how it happens. Okay, you could find this in any pair if you take your time to look. I posted this and GBP NZD last week, how it happened. Created a fake order block and took it all out. All right, so this I saw and I fell for it. I forgot about this and I was like, okay, this happened of this other block. All right, so this was clean. I forgot this was an adjustment for this. So I saw this was clean, and also forgot that reaction from an adjustment always happens in a corrective manner. So this wasn't the momentum I was looking for. All right, I was expecting the momentum from the PY, but this wasn't, a nice reaction. But I ignored all that because I saw this IPA candle over here. It was so clean. I was like, this has to happen. Right? This was just too clean. It had to happen. So I took my order from this other block. And guess what? They gave a fast reaction, gave a pullback for everyone to see the obvious pullback and get in. And then, took everybody out. Sorry about the reloading. I'm having network issues. Nigeria. So this happened and they mitigated off the original order block and the market came back down. So this is an adjustment in the live market. This happened just last week on the 18th. Yeah, on the 18th of January 2022. So there you have it, guys. That's all you need to know about an adjustment is liquidity, more like a trap for you could say smart money traders, but basically it's just the liquidity closest to the POI which mitigated off nothing, just nothing. And it always happens in the corrective form. All right. If you have any questions, you could leave it in the comment box and I will do my best to attend to them all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.